you're very good at this, guys.
Yeah, they're professionals.
They had a lot of Play-Doh experience, right?
Yes, okay. Now introduce yourself. What's your name, please?
Sarah.
Yeah, next one.
I'm Aaron.
Great. Director, how's they doing?
They're doing great.
Great.
They really...
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
Yes. Yes.
Aaron, you watching?
Click again.
Oh my goodness.
Click again.
Click it again, Aaron.
Click again.
Dad, you made a movie.
Click again.
Click again, Aaron. Whoa!
Can I do mine?
Yeah, you're gonna do.
Play button.
It's cute. What is his name? Sarah, what are you gonna name him?
I don't know. Say yes, Aaron. Yes. Yes.
Okay, continue.
Wasn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Aaron, you like it?
Look,
Yeah.
you like this? Great.